Hi everyone, welcome to this Mediterranean recipe. Today we are going to cook a dessert. We are going to cook some strawberries. We are going to cook some roasted strawberries. This is healthy and this is really easy to make. Let's go. We start this nice recipe with a saucepan, a small saucepan because we want to add the water, of course, and the sugar. We want to make a syrup. At this time, you can add vanilla extract if you have. If you don't have, stay on the video. Because we are going to take a vanilla pod. So when you want to extract the beans, you want to use a knife and you use the back of the knife, of course. And then you cut it in half. So you need a sharpened knife. And then you have all the seeds. Up with the back of the knife. And you put it into the saucepan. And for what's left from the vanilla pod, you don't throw them away, you throw them into your sugar. It will give a nice perfume. We take the nice strawberries. They are from the local market. We remove the stem. And you can keep the stem for another recipe. You can make, for example, a strawberry syrup with only the stems. And don't forget, if you want more Mediterranean recipe, hit the subscribe button just below the video. And by the way, I wanted to thank the first subscribers. To be honest with you, I didn't expect to have you that soon. We are checking the syrup. So yeah, what you want to have is a thicker water. When you start making the syrup, the water is pretty much liquid. And after maybe 5 to 10 minutes on low heat, you'll have thicker water. It's a syrup. Yeah, you see I clean my cutting board every time, even though my recipe is really short, because I want to keep my mind very clear. And after 10 minutes, we take a rubber spatula. Yeah, we test, and it's ready for the strawberries. So yeah, when you do this operation, put it in maybe 3 or 4 times. Don't put all the strawberries inside, because otherwise you will not put the syrup on all the strawberries. You tilt the saucepan, so you can make a nice pool of strawberry syrup. Do it slowly, you don't want to damage any strawberry. You can do this during 1 or 2 minutes, not more, otherwise it's going to be a pure strawberry, and you don't want that. And it's ready, slowly. When you do this operation, don't forget to turn off the heat, otherwise it will continue to cook the syrup. It's going to be very thick, too much thick actually. And then you can turn the heat back on. And then the last one. We take the syrup. And of course, not any Mediterranean recipe without herbs. This is mint, fresh mint. It's a perfect wedging with a strawberry. You chop them into big pieces. You can use basil as well if you don't have mint. And we finish with the lemon. We are going to take the zest from the lemon. You can take lime as well. You see, cooking delicious recipes isn't that hard. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Mediterranean recipes and give this video a like and share it with your friends. If you run into any issues making this recipe, leave a comment below and I'll reply. Bon appétit! Bye!